no. Ain't no way you just did that. You broke my man's ankles like that? Nah, you cheating. You got hats on. Nobody...
The rain is back once again. And so is the wind. Like the wind's pretty strong. The wind is pretty strong. Just look at that. Ignore that noise. Look at the wind blowing the rain. I did not think it would, you know. Wait. I feel like an EAS alert is imminent. And it's not the rain that can trigger an EAS alert, but the wind. Like the winds look like they're gusting to around 50 miles per hour. Wait, I meant up to 40. Up to 40 miles per hour. In any case, I love watching the rain. It's more exciting when there's strong winds with heavy rain. For me, at least. It's raining sideways. The rain's also getting heavier. Like how the winds are getting stronger. EAS alerts can be issued. Just wait for it. Yeah, this really is a strong storm. It really is a strong storm. the type of word that I want to capture. This is the type of word I want to capture. Heavy rain with strong wind. Okay. I mean, at least in EAS alert. Ignore that. That noise was just coming from one of my tablets. Which is obviously a website that's basically a new version of the old YouTube, and I already love the F out of that site. However, there aren't enough days of certain. Wait, so when's making it back up again? I don't know. But anyway. I mean, I think there is things that fairly. But yeah. Camtape is a great website. Especially if you want, you know, nostalgia. Like, well, Camtape doesn't have every old one. You know what I mean. But in any case, please check out Camtape. I'm not sure if I'm going to be uploading anything to Camtape, at least anytime soon. But this video is not being uploaded to Camtape. It's not being uploaded to Camtape. But perhaps some videos may make it to Camtape. Yeah, you just saw it? Did you just see, like, But yeah, like all that's rain being blown by the wind. Like you can see on the ground. It's not really as noticeable anymore in the sky, but it is more noticeable on the ground. Alright.
Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers likely until midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Patchy fog until midnight. Humidity lows in the lower 60s, except in the upper 60s across Block Island. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Coming west 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight.
And also, it's very unlikely that I'll be able to upload anything tonight. Because I'm going to be going somewhere tomorrow and will be there for at least 3 to 4 hours. Oh, okay, I guess you can see the rain in the sky again. Guess you can see it again. Oh yeah, I can see it now. I can see the rain again in the sky. Look, those trees swing a lot again. Those trees over there, they even swing a lot. Oh, the rain. But yeah, the trees haven't, over there, haven't swung a lot. And that's because of the wind. That's because of the strong wind. No. Okay, never mind. The wind's just picked up once again along off the rain. So never mind. I guess. Yeah, I guess. But, yeah. This was something. This was something. And, yeah. I guess that's gonna be it now. So, I will see you in the next video. Regardless of what it is, it should be more entertaining than this one.